Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Character AI. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open the application of Character AI on your browser. Then open the first link right over here. Then just simply make a quick account over here. In order to do that, you can just simply go over here at the very bottom left hand side corner and just simply click on sign up and create an account. And once you have created your account, you can just simply log back into your account and you can start using the application. So using the application is extremely easy. You can choose any of the avatars to talk with. Like for example, you will have few defaults one over here. If you click on this add option, you can choose more, as you can see right over here. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will have different type of personas as well. As you can see right over here, there are multiple personas that you can try to talk with. And even in voices, as you can see, there are many voices that you can also try. So there is also another option that you can create your own avatar. For doing that, what you have to do is click on the create option over here and choose character or voice depending on what you want. Then after choosing any one of the option over here, a new page will appear, and right over here you can create your very own character, which you can see right over here. You will be able to create characters just like them, as you can see. Now let's say for example you do choose any of the characters to talk, like for example this one over here. So what you would do is just simply talk as you would do with a normal person. So let's say for example, just simply say hi and the AI will reply automatically, as you can see. And now just simply start the conversation and you will be good to go. So you will have few advanced features over here like voice. So if you want, you can add voices to the character. You can see the history of all the chats that you had. If you have any pinned chat, you can also see it right over here. And if you want to have a pinner chat, click on this 3 dots and pin chat. And that chat will be pinned, as you can see right over here. So that's basically it. And if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.